Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Today I'm going to be showing you what I got in my Naked Beauty box for July of 2021. I have never unboxed this on my channel, so I'm going to give you a little bit of information before we get started, so definitely stay tuned. If you are into these types of videos from me, because I am your friendly neighborhood spoiler and unboxing gal, then definitely give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much, especially because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you're already watching, if you would do me the honor and hit the subscribe button, it would melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Really quick before we get started, I do want to mention that I have a really big Jeffree star giveaway going on right now. If you are into giveaways and all of that, then definitely go hit the link below and go enter my giveaway. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into the details on this Naked Beauty box. So they did send this box to me to review on my channel, so thank you so much for sending this to me. Now let's get into what this box is. So this is a skincare only box. Each month receive $100 plus in cruelty-free, vegan, and non-toxic skincare products monthly from women-owned indie brands. Pause or cancel anytime. Choose your subscription plan. Choose between monthly, 3-month, or 6-month subscriptions. Monthly boxes begin shipping on or before the 15th of each month. Order by the 12th of each month to ensure you receive the current month's box. Discover and fall in love with the new skincare products. Don't forget to tag us on Instagram. So this box is $35.99 a month, but there is free US shipping, so that's cool. I know they have their own marketplace where you can actually go and buy these products off of their website, which is really, really cool. And I'm even seeing things from Base Blue Cosmetics in here, which I am familiar with that brand. And I do love that it's women brands that are featured in this box. Like, that makes me really happy. So let's go ahead and unbox this. I have to say it's pretty heavy, so I can't wait to see what I got in here. So let's open it up. Okay, so the very first thing on the top is the Naked Beauty Be Yourself pamphlet. Thank gosh. Oh, and there's a quote on the back. If you don't like the road you're walking, start paving another one. Dolly Parton. Okay, that's cute. We love that. So this is, oh, cool. Information that's gonna tell me everything about the products in here so I can read some stuff and let you guys know. I know my sister is going to steal some of these items because she's been all about the serums lately and the hyaluronic acid, let me tell you. Okay, I'm gonna have to set that down. I can't rip that. Okay, so everything in here is so nicely packaged, and the scent coming out of this box right now is real. Like, it smells so good. I just gotta know what that scent is. Okay, so I'm gonna pick out this product here, which is in this beautiful jar. So this is from the Farmer's Touch. This is a body whip, and this is a $20 body whip. So the perfect moisturizer that will leave your skin hydrated and smooth. Prepped in small batches, this body whip is perfectly blended of organic shea butter, organic coconut oil, organic carrot seed oil, organic jojoba oil, organic peach seed oil, organic papaya, and prickly pear extract, and organic Madagascar vanilla. Ooh, okay. Ooh, it has a very minty scent. Ooh, let me just take some of this. And we shall wipe it on the back of the hand. Oh yeah. This has a nice cooling sensation. It feels like it's going to be very moisturizing, and I love it. Peppermint. Peppermint's the scent that I was thinking of. Very minty. It's peppermint. It smells so good. Okay, I'm excited about that. We're off to a really good start. Okay, here I have a product from Plant Based Beauty. This is the Heal Plus Glow Facial Oil, which retails for $26. Intense hydration for softer and smoother skin overnight. We love that description. This cold pressed superfood moringa oil provides nutrients to instantly take your skin to a new level of soft and smooth. Plant-Based Beauty's best-selling serum softens and hydrates damaged and dry skin, brightens dull skin, renews skin cells, and clears scars. Clear scars? I wanted to clear my scars. Let's see. One drop will do it. It has a really light scent. Yeah, I can see where it's going to repair damaged skin. The oil just feels, I don't even know how to explain it, but it just feels magical. Does that make sense? No? Well, it does to me. So yeah, excited about this. I have a feeling this is a product that my sister is going to steal from me. Okay, next up we have this cute little setup with a little wooden spoon. Oh, okay. Okay, what is this? What is this? What is this? Plant-based beauty. Okay, this is... Okay. From Plant-Based Beauty, this is the Avocado plus Algae Face Mask, which retails for $22. Instantly notice soft and clean skin from the nourishing superfoods of avocado, spirulina, and moringa that give your skin the vitamins it needs. This face mask helps to brighten your complexion, soften and hydrates damaged skin, detoxes and clears skin, soothes breakouts, and helps calms redness. Ooh, we love that. This little spoon is everything. Okay, I just want to give a little whiff of it. Oh, all I smell is spirulina. That's all I smell. Okay, so it's like loose. I bet there's directions that tells you how to do this. Okay, mask, mix 1 to 2 scoops with water in your palm to create a thick paste. Apply it on your face for 5 minutes and rinse. Use daily. To exfoliate, you mix 1 to 2 scoops with 2 to 3 drops of Heal and Glow facial serum in your palm. Gently scrub your face, then rinse. Use 2 times per week. Cool. I'll definitely do that. We're almost done. We're almost done. We have this guy right here. So this is from Janice and Faye Boston. It's the Detox Night Cream, which retails for $30. Detoxing, replenishing, and nighttime cream with lavender and peony flower improves skin's elasticity and firmness, soothes and nourishes skin with natural floral extracts and the calming effects of lavender, and enhances the skin's ability to recharge during sleep. Well, let me tell you, anytime there's a description that says elasticity and firmness, I'm here for it. I don't care what it is. Firm my face up, please. This smells really, really good. Like, I like how all this skincare smells. I'm really excited about this. Okay. That I'll be putting on my face tonight. Here we have our last product, and this is from Gypsy Soul Organics. My mom's name in Animal Crossings is actually Gypsy, so that's pretty cool. Okay, so it's the Cactus Face Toner, which retails for $30. Intense hydration and cell proliferation, formulated from cactus flower, prickly pear seed oil, and aloe vera leaf to keep skin quenched even under dry conditions. This unique formula helps skin maintain its essential moisture to keep it soft and smooth, protects your collagen, plumps and brightens, exfoliates and hydrates. This product can be used over makeup to keep skin hydrated even under dry conditions. It supports natural skin cell respiration and helps maintain essential moisture to keep it soft and smooth while detoxifying and protecting skin from environmental aggressors. Huh? A face? Oh, it's a spray. I was like, you can wear this over makeup? What? Okay, so it's a spray. Let's see what this smells like. I don't think it has a scent. Oh, it does have a scent. It's like a light lemony scent, maybe? But that smells really good, and my face feels cool. Like, it feels cooled down. It feels refreshed. So that's everything in this box. Let me go ahead and add up the value. So this is $35 a month. So let's see what we got here. $26 plus $20 plus $30 plus 22 plus 30. So $128 in value here, which is great. And this is for the skincare lovers out there. This is something that my mom would die for, this box specifically, and especially because it's like vegan, cruelty-free, organic, and all that. I know this is going to appeal to a lot of people, so if you're interested, I will have a discount code and all of that down below. I think, maybe. I don't know, did they give me one? I don't know, but if I do, I'll have it down below. And yeah, let me know your thoughts and opinions on this box. Have you seen it before? Do you like it? Do you currently get it? Let me know everything in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you to the Naked Beauty Box for sending this to me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!